Hey guys, let me quickly show you how to create a 3D pop out effect in Photoshop. So stay with me and let's get started. So this is the image that we'll be using. So right now I'm just going to select the phone image. I'm going to make a selection of this. So I'll come here, right click, rasterize layer, right click, select inverse and hit delete. Then Ctrl D to deselect. So next I would make a selection of the screen. So you can use any selection tool of your choice and make a selection of this. So I made a selection and I'm going to press Ctrl C, Ctrl V. So I'll go and import the other image that I'll be using. I'll reduce the opacity a bit so I can be able to see how to place it properly. And I think I'm okay with this. I'm just going to increase the opacity to 100%. Then I'll right click on the layer here and create clipping mask. Then press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. And I'll get my selection tool and choose select subject. So if you look at it very well, you make a good selection of it. So I'm just going to make a few adjustments. And when I'm okay with this, I'm just going to add a mask. So next, see on the layer mask, I will get my brush tool I'm just going to zoom in to see the areas that were not properly selected. And I'll set the color to black and make my adjustment till I'm okay with it. And I think I'm actually okay with this right now. I'm okay with this. Here we have it. We are done with this already. So lastly, I'm just going to click on Control plus Shift plus Alt plus A. And now we have everything in one layer. So with this, I can't make further adjustment. I can't make further changes. So what I'm just going to do is I'll go to Filter and go to Camera Raw Filter. And guys, we've come to the end of the video. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, please give this video a like and support this channel by hitting the subscribe button. Thank you so much guys as you do so, and I'll see you next time.